Hi there, welcome back to English via English. Today I'm going to talk about how we can use two non-finite verb patterns, infinitive and gerund, together at the same point in a sentence. Usually we can't do that. We have to use either a gerund or an infinitive because both can be used as nouns and both can be used as subject of the sentence or object of the sentence. That's fine. But today's problem or today's discussion will be on can we have a verb pattern like this? First part, infinitive. Second part, like this, gerund. Key to, open to, admit to, confess to, look forward to, take to, committed to, devoted to, dedicated to, used to, accustomed to, close to, prone to, addicted to, and there are a few ones. But these are the common and most frequently used ones. And remember that after all these patterns, we are getting either the verb or the noun, but after all of them, we are getting the preposition to, okay? So these patterns, they indicate some sort of situation or state or circumstance, all right? Therefore, after them, we have to use the gerund pattern, which is nothing but a noun, all right? If we use after them, if we use the verb in present form or the root form, that might lead to some different tricky situation, like these two plus the verb in present form, that infinitive, so-called infinitive, might indicate some sort of adverb. But since all of them are indicating some sort of state or condition or situation, we have to use after them verb plus ing pattern or a noun or a noun phrase. So we don't have any problem with noun or noun phrase, but whenever there is the case of using a verb, remember that verb must take the ing after it to form the gerund pattern. It is not even present participle because present participle functions like an adjective. So this is gerund and this is the sentence pattern that we have to follow. Alright friends, we have got some exercise over here and the blanks will be filled in with the correct forms of the verbs. Now before that, let me tell you another rule. Now remember that all these set patterns, they are all ending in the preposition to. This preposition is nothing but appropriate preposition. So to is attached to the words before it. Therefore, we must not get confused as to whether or not this preposition to is to be attached with the present form of the verb to construct infinitive. So this to has nothing to do with the verb in present form because that is a separate part. So ultimately, this to is attached to the verb before that or the word before that. So we are bringing in another pattern, another unit in terms of verb plus ing, that is independent one. So this verb has nothing to do with this preposition, while the verb with the suffix ing is going to form the gerund pattern, okay? And finally, we are getting two units together to indicate the state, condition or situation. Therefore, remember that here we are looking forward to the verb. So since this verb, we have to use verb plus ing. He confessed to, not take but taking. They are committed to serve the nation, wrong. They are committed to serving the nation. She was close to, we can say she was close to breakdown. Breakdown is a noun phrase, that's okay. But if we use the verb pattern over here, if we put down and break separately, it should be breaking down. They are accustomed to, again, rising early. So friends, that's all about this video today, and keep watching all the various contents already available on this channel. And if you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to ask me any question in the comment box below, and I'll be happy to help you out or answer your query in due time. Keep watching. Thanks for watching, and serve your motherland.